Hello students, in last lecture we have learned some constructions from problem set 4. In those constructions there were the construction of tangent to the circle at a point on the circle and to construct the tangents to the circle through the point which is out of the circle. Now we are going to learn the constructions of similar triangle. Earlier we have already learned this type of constructions, but today we are going to construct similar triangles from example 7 and 8 from problem set 4. Triangle ABC, similar triangle LBN. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 5.1 centimeter, angle B is equal to 40 degree and BC is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Means two sides and angle between them is given. Then AC upon LN, that is ratio of the corresponding sides, is 4 upon 7. Here AC in that proportion AC is 4 and LN is 7, means triangle LBN is larger triangle than triangle ABC, or triangle ABC is smaller triangle. Construct triangle ABC and triangle LBN. First we will construct the rough figure and then we will go towards our final construction. Here first we will draw triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 5.1 centimeter, angle B is equal to 40 degree. Suppose it is side BC, there is no need to take actual measure here. Angle B is 40 degree. It is 40 degree angle. Then AB is equal to 5.1 centimeter. It will be triangle ABC. It is rough figure. Then the proportion of sides is 4:7, means the sides of triangle LBN will be larger. The proportion is 4:7. So to draw that triangle we have to extend these sides, corresponding sides AB and BC. Now join these 2 points. This will be triangle LBN. Triangle ABC, similar triangle LBN. Now we will construct our final triangle ABC and triangle LBN. It is rough figure. Now first we will construct triangle ABC, side BC 4.8 centimeter, it is. BC 4.8 centimeter. Angle B is 40 degree. 40 degree angle B. Sorry, it is 40 degree angle. Now AB, side AB is given as 5.1. On that ray we have to take point at the distance 5.1 centimeter. It is 5.1 centimeter distance. centimeter. Then we will draw segment AC. It is our triangle ABC. Now triangle LBN is greater triangle, therefore the corresponding sides BN and here LB are larger, therefore we have to extend these corresponding sides of triangle ABC like this. Now we have to take one angle through point B, acute angle. Now the larger number in the proportion is 7, 4:7. Therefore we have to take 7 points on this ray. One, two, three, four, 5, 6 and 7. Here now side of triangle ABC is AC in that proportion given 4. Therefore joint the fourth point 1, 2, 3, 4 with point C. See here. First fourth point is joined with point C. Now we have to take the congruent angle of this angle at the 7th point. Suppose these points as B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. We have to draw congruent angle of B4 at point B7. So we will use compass for that. First take any two arcs on the two arms, similar distance in compass, and take two arcs, one on this ray and other in the empty space. Now take the distance between two arcs intersecting to the two sides. See here, it is the distance between 2 points. So draw here intersecting point of two arcs. Here it is congruent angle with the angle at point B4. Now we have to draw congruent angle of angle C at the point N. It will be point N of triangle LBN. See here, again we will take some distance in the two ends of compass and draw here two arcs. Now by taking similar distance we will draw two arcs in this way. Now take the distance between two arcs as it is the distance. Now we will draw intersecting arc here in this way. Now we will draw the line through these 2 points, point N and the intersecting point of two arcs here. It intersect at this point. This will be point L of triangle LBN. In this way, the ratio of the corresponding sides will be 4:7. If the side BN is 7, then side BC will be 4, because here the BB4 is 4 and BB7 is 7. So same proportion will be in triangle ABC and triangle LBN. In this way we can construct triangle ABC similar triangle LBN. See next example, last example from this problem set. Construct triangle PYQ such that PY is equal to 6.3 centimeter, YQ is equal to 7.2 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5.8 centimeter. Means three sides of triangle are given. If YZ upon YQ is equal to 6/5, ratio of the corresponding sides is 6/5, then construct triangle XYZ similar to triangle PYQ. Means first we have to construct triangle PYQ and then triangle XYZ. First we will construct rough figure. PY, YQ and PQ are the three sides. First side YQ of any measure, YQ, then PY, and suppose it is PQ, PYQ. Now we have to construct triangle XYZ and sides of triangle XYZ, that is corresponding side YZ, is greater than YQ. Means triangle XYZ is larger triangle. Ratio is 6:5. So here we will draw the triangle XYZ XYZ. Three sides of triangle PYQ are given and we have to draw both triangle PYQ and triangle XYZ, that is similar triangles to each other. Now it is rough figure. We will construct our construction now. First we will take first side, that is YQ of triangle PYQ, 7.2 centimeter. Then PY 6.3 centimeter. We'll take distance 6.3 centimeter in the two ends of compass. 6.3. Then PQ 5.8. Take 5.8 centimeter. It will be point P. Join this point P with point Y and point Q. It is 6.3 centimeter PY and PQ 5.8 centimeter. It is triangle PYQ. Now we have to construct triangle XYZ. Side of triangle XYZ is in the ratio given as 6, and side of triangle PYQ, that is YQ, is 5. Therefore, sides of triangle XYZ are larger than sides of triangle PYQ. Here, draw a ray through any acute angle. The larger number in the ratio is 6. Therefore, we will take 6 points here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So give the names to the points as Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5 and Y6. Now triangle XYZ is larger triangle, therefore increase or extend the sides of triangle PYQ in this way. Now we will draw here first joint fifth point with point Q, because first we have given triangle PYQ. Now construct congruent angle of angle Y5 at point Y6. Two arcs, same two arcs at point Y6. Now we will take distance between two arcs, similar distance in the two arcs here. Now draw the line through these 2 points. Like this. Now draw congruent angle of angle Q at this point. This will be point Z. Now the distance between two arcs it will be the corresponding side xy xz it is triangle XYZ similar to triangle PYQ. In this way, there is construction of similar triangles. One of the such type of construction is always asked in your question paper. So, we have to practice this type of construction well. Now, here our fourth chapter, geometric construction, is ends. In next lecture, we will see fifth chapter of Maths 2, that is coordinate geometry. You have homework to construct all the constructions from problem set 4 and practice of all constructions. Thank you.